Everything looked good. Cold start. So loud, can't get over that. So I ended up doing my very first cold start in the clip before this, and then I rode it around the block for a little bit. Woo. Flip down my visor, make sure you guys can hear me. So I ended up going around the block for a little bit just to hear it, check it out. Also in that teaser video, I ended up taking a clip from that just so you guys could hear it. But this is gonna be my first actual ride with it, and hopefully I can pick up enough of those beautiful notes. The videos that I was listening to, it just doesn't do it justice. Anybody that knows this exhaust, they know this thing is crazy loud. It's so stinking loud. And then the flames that it shoots out, I'm gonna have to do a night video so you can see just how much the flame shoots out. It's pretty sick. All right, let's go for a ride. Should be fairly warmed up by now. One last thing is, so after I go for my ride, give you an update, I'll just clip some videos in of the Insta360. That way you can just kind of enjoy the sound. Hopefully it picks up enough of it. All right, guys. Woo! Man, she sounds good. What's up, YouTube? Oh, she's finally here. Listen to this thing. It sounds so much better, way more crisp. Wow. Sounds so good. So another thing that I ended up doing is I went with the BT Moto tune. They're running a Black Friday sale. It got me. I went with BT Moto. What's nice about that is it comes with a flasher, so that tuner, it's easy to get to the port on the back under the seat, the diagnostic port, and you just plug it in there. It takes about like 10 minutes for it to flash, but before you do that, it's like 2 minutes to pull your current map, your stock map. Oh, that sounds good. And it's so loud, like honestly, I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. I feel like I have to yell. This is crazy loud. So it takes like 2 minutes for you to pull the stock map. Man, I'm cold. Holy crap, 39 degrees right now. And once you get that, you send it into BT Moto. It took them like an hour to send me the flashed map, and then I downloaded it back on the flasher. 10 minutes to flash this thing. I'll have another video on how I did that whole process. But what's cool, if anything goes wrong with this, I can just go ahead. Whoa, that was interesting. I don't know why I did that. It really jumped. 1 second. I'm gonna do a little bit of a pull here. Wait for this car to pass. All right, we're good. Go a higher gear in order to talk. Anyways, what I was saying, if anything happens with this, I could just pull out the flasher and go back to stock tune if I need to. Or warranty, if I take this in for anything, just flash it, go back to stock, get a service, bring it back home, boom, 10 minutes later I'm back to where I was. It's pretty nice. So if it's still on sale, go ahead. I'd say it's worth the extra money. It's like twice the cost of what mail-in flash would do, and this is something you have forever. Oh man, it's so much louder. This is crazy. Now I can kind of understand why people say you gotta ride with earplugs. I picture riding this thing for an hour. You're definitely gonna have some droning to your ears. And this helmet that I have, the Scorpion XO R1, it actually has a lot of padding and good insulation, but dang, my hands are getting cold, so this is weird. So my oh, we got some gravel here, gotta watch out for that. So this tune actually helped out a lot with my shifting. My quick shifter feels so much more smooth. It's so quick, responsive. It's made a really big difference even on that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this video short, but I wanted to give you an update. I finally got it. Got the scproject CRT titanium. It's the one I've been eyeballing for a while. I was just waiting for my bike to get broken in and hoping for a Black Friday sale so I could pick one up. So we are here. I could probably do a pull up here. Let me get my bike situated. There is someone behind me. Yeah, that car is coming up on me. I'm trying to go slow. That way I can do a pull up here. I want to end it on a pull for you guys. Oh my gosh, dang, that felt good. Alright, on that note, I got more content coming up with the new exhaust. Just like I said, giving you an update. Love you guys, thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.